This is for Year 12 Further Maths. We're going to look at exercise 9G question 4. And we're given an amortization table. And you notice something interesting about this table. The value of the investment or the annuity increases. So whenever the balance of the annuity increases, this means that this is a annuity investment. So annuity investment. So it's annuity investment, meaning that you're not taking money out of the account every month or every compound period. You're adding, which is why it says principal increase. Okay, so you treat it as like a normal amortization table. Whatever the balance is previously, you get interest added. Okay, and you make regular payments towards the account. So you're not regularly deducting from the account. You're making regular payments to the account. So for a part 4, we want to find the monthly interest rate. Okay, this investment compounded monthly, so we want to work out the interest rate. I know the interest earned from $5,000 was $50. Okay, so I know that $50 was a result of the interest gained from 5,000. So I'm going to put that on my CAS calculator and I'm going to solve it. So let's go to CAS, clears this, clear all. I go 50 equals x divided by 100 times our original principal, which is 5,000. And I need to actually interactive and solve it. So interactive and solve for x, and we get 1%. Okay, so my R, my monthly interest rate, is 1% per month. Now, it asks us for our annual interest rate. This is monthly. Annually, R would be 1 times 12, which is 12% per annum. Okay, so that's part 4 and part 5 done. Now, we want to work out what the value of A, B, and C are for part B 1 and 2. So for B part 1, the value of A is the interest earned. Okay, so our previous value, our previous principal, is 5301.50. Now, that's the principal for payment number 2. So in payment number 3, the interest earned would be 1% of that. Okay, because that's the interest rate worked out. It's 1% per compound period, 1% per month. So 1 divided by 100 times 5301.50. Let's enter that on our calculator. 1 divided by 100 times 5301 0.50, $53.01. Okay, so it's $53.01. The dollar sign and to 2 decimal places. For my B, what is my principal increase? Well, I've added $100 for the month because that's what I pay to the account every month, or contribute to the account every month, plus my interest. Means that my interest is this. If I plus $100 to it, it means that I get a value of $153.01. Okay, so that's my B value. That's my principal increase. And for my C value, it's my balance after that month. Okay, so I'm adding this amount to the account for that month. So I simply add it to the previous principal, which is 5301.50. I add 5301.50. I add 153.015, and I should get 5454.52. 5454.52. Okay, so my C value is 5454.52 dollars, because this is the amount I'm increasing the account by this is the amount I increased the account by for this month, so I added to the previous total to get the new balance. The total interest earned by the investment after 8 months. So all I'd have to do is add the whole column, okay? Because that's the total amount of interest earned for the investment after 8 months. So I go 50 plus 51.5 plus our A value. We worked out our A value. We worked out A value to be 53. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to paste this on for my A value. I've got 54.55 plus 56.09 plus 57.65 plus 59.23 plus 60.82. Okay, and I should get a total interest of 442.86. 442.86. So this is the interest I earn from the bank by making these deposits, and that helps.